guys, welcome back to CaliVali. Today we're going to IKEA and we're gonna take you with us. So it's pretty hot outside, but the line is mostly shaded and we've been in line for like 20 minutes. I think we're like halfway there, so hopefully not much longer outside. Okay, we finally made it in. It actually wasn't too bad. The line looks scary from outside, but we made it. Okay, one thing we did come to look at is the benches. Like, I want one for my front porch area just to like put a pillow on or something like that, or even sit outside because we have a lot of good shade in our house. So I like this little tiny one right here, and it's on sale. This one must be unavailable too. Dang. Okay guys, we couldn't find the futon, so we're gonna switch gears and look for Okay, we're heading to the kids section. They have a lot of like art supplies and room decor and wooden toys. So Ellie's gonna be super excited when she gets there. These look cute, these little stamper set. Ellie would love this. I got paw prints and faces, hearts. These are fun. We're gonna get these. They get like bright colored paints, markers, expo markers, paintbrushes. Ellie has those. She loves those ones. Little smocks. Oh, little paint trays. I haven't seen those before.
So I just found out that the restaurant is closed, which is a freaking bummer because I was hoping to get some meatballs, but apparently they're still doing takeout, so that'll be our next option.
So we're going down to the marketplace to see, yeah, hopefully something good since no luck with the futon. They have some new dish towels and runners. They have black and white and in fall colors. They have these new plates with ridges on them, and they got these dishes for Thanksgiving. It all looks so cute. Here's some more fall inspo little vase that everyone already has. Ooh, whatever this is, it smells really good. These are all $1.99? Yeah. We made it to the self-serve area. It was actually not that crowded in here. Like, they are really making sure the capacity is lower. Okay, Jose's on the way to find the bin that we need for our bench. Okay, well, we got here and the bin's empty. I feel like everything is temporarily unavailable here. It's a really big bummer. This little kids picnic table is $49. So stinking cute. And now that they're out of the bench, I'm thinking maybe this chair, it's $35. Yep, we're getting the chair. Walking towards the to-go food. There is quite a line. Okay.
This line to check out is absolutely insane right now.
of it's packaged to go. We're just gonna eat it in our car because can't eat it inside. So
found meatballs.
yeah, we're excited to still get all the foods we like. But thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye.